Tom Kenny here at Simpson Design Build. Today we are pouring the concrete floor here at 1020 Butternut. They're rolling the concrete out of the truck down the chute, and the guys are using concrete rakes to kind of spread it. They spread it around the perimeter where there's a red grade line so the guys can see what's going on. There's a laser set up, and that thing, when he holds it up to the exact right height, it'll begin to beep. That's how they can figure out what the grade looks like. Concrete's made up of 4 basic things. Fine aggregate, which is sand, coarse aggregate, which are rocks, cement, and water. But we've also added this really fine fiber to the concrete. You know, old days when they did plaster, they added horsehair to the plaster to make the plaster really strong and keep from cracking. It's exactly the same principle, because as the water actually dissipates and evaporates, the concrete volume gets smaller and tends to crack. So these fibers are designed to hold it together. The blue paper, which has been taped down, is a vapor barrier. That keeps water that's below the actual slab from seeping up through the concrete. The concrete's curing right now, so it's a bit of a race against time. If they take too long, it'll actually cure up so fast that they can't finish it, it'll stay rough. The boxes that are inside of the concrete slab right now are forms that are keeping the concrete out, because we're going to set steel columns there. This concrete floor is designed to carry 4,000 pounds per square foot, which means that this little 1,400 square foot floor is designed to carry 5.8 million pounds of load if we ever need it. So he's working the power screed in the back. It's like a weed whacker with a long aluminum screed on it. And what they're trying to do is flatten the concrete. The fun part for the homeowner here is they actually got to design what goes into this basement. Over there you can see the plumbing for what's going to be a basement bar. Right in this region right here is going to be a small powder room with a little shower. Owners designed a movie theater section. There's an area for a future wine cellar. So when we're done, we're going to have a finished 9-foot ceiling. So when you go down into their basement, you're not going to be feeling like you're in a subterranean space. They'll work their way out the window. They'll pull their kneeboards up outside the window, reach down for the window, finish screeding it, and then they're done.